This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 9th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Weather turns windy today and we start a cooling trend. In fact, by the end of the week, temperatures could be as much as 25 to 30 degrees cooler than that which we saw yesterday and Sunday. Also, we have some rain chances coming in by Thursday and Friday. Of course, how much rain will we get? That's always the big question. And what about the weather for the weekend and next week? Well, we'll talk about it as we dive in here. First, yesterday, 87 degrees was the afternoon high. 66 was that record warm low temperature. The normal high, 75. The normal low, 52. As we take a look outside right now, here at 9:15 a.m., a partly sunny sky out there, sitting at 66 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 27, relative humidity 23%. Wind for the moment is calm and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning rather mild, mostly upper 50s to upper 60s. The upper air look across the country. We've got a trough moving on to the Pacific Northwest coast, and that system is what's going to ultimately bring us a chance of rain later in the week as it dives southeast. A little system out ahead of it will move through on the southwesterly flow here this afternoon, and that will give us the windy conditions and should help to push those clouds out of here by later today. Here's the watch warning map. We've got a number of winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings for the Sierra, as well as parts of Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, and South Dakota. Some wind advisories through southeast California, southern Nevada, and northern Arizona. A red flag warning in southeast Arizona, highlighting the increased potential for wildfires. The convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather to be found across the country, although there is some thunder possible over parts of the plains as well as the west coast. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix around 1/10 of an inch or less, and somewhat heavier totals up north over the higher terrain with that system that will come through here later in the week. And we will talk about that and everything else too as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Big upper level trough along the west coast and a little short wave coming through the southwest today. And a southwesterly flow aloft. So down at the surface, some clouds this morning will turn mostly sunny by later this afternoon, but it will turn locally windy with southwest winds increasing from 10 to 20 miles per hour here in Phoenix. Could see gusts up to 35 miles per hour at times this afternoon, and even higher than that across northern Arizona, obviously in those wind advisory issues. So, as I always tell you, if you're on the I-8 or I-10 corridor, maybe you're on US 60 or 95, up there in northwest Arizona heading into southern Nevada, be aware of the fact that you could run into some blowing dust out there. So that's certainly a realistic possibility today. Maybe some isolated blowing dust even here in the Phoenix area today. And high temperatures will still be warm in the mid and upper 70s, but that's about 10 degrees cooler than what we saw yesterday. Tonight, we're mostly clear, breezy at times, and it will be cooler. Overnight lows drop in the 40s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon, breezy and even cooler. High temperatures only getting into the mid or maybe upper 60s. So again, about another 10 degrees off of our high temperatures for tomorrow. Now, by Wednesday night and Thursday, we've got this trough and it's going to start to slide southeast and close off into an upper low as it does and really start to bring in some moisture across the region. We'll see increasing clouds. We'll call it partly sunny for Thursday. And there is a chance at some showers coming in by the afternoon. I'd say a 30% chance. Now, this is not going to be a washout scenario. This isn't going to be a heavy rain event, but some light rain will be possible by later in the afternoon. So keep that in mind if you have outdoor activities planned for late Thursday and into Thursday night. High temperatures, again, a bit cooler still, low to mid 60s, and it will be breezy at times. Now, here we go to Friday. And this system will move across the state. And I'd say this is our best chance of rain. Thursday night and Friday, about a 50% chance we'll see some showers here in Phoenix. And as I've told you, this is not expected to be a widespread, significant precipitation event, but there's a decent chance that most of us get wet. And again, rain amounts are generally going to be less than 1/10 of an inch. This is not going to be a big event, but still something worth noting. Off and on showers possible Thursday night through Friday, mostly cloudy sky, and high temperatures continue to cool off. It's going to be kind of a chilly day for mid-March. Highs upper 50s and low 60s on Friday. But by Saturday, this starts to move out of here, and we'll still see some isolated showers over eastern Arizona, partly sunny sky here in Phoenix. High temperatures will bump back up into I'd say the mid-60s. We continue with the warming trend on Sunday. High temperatures upper 60s and low 70s. On Monday, we've got another system sliding through the interior west across the Four Corners. That really shouldn't do much to slow down the warm-up. I'd say high temperatures are still likely in the mid, maybe even upper 70s with a mostly sunny sky, maybe some breezy conditions across the northern part of the state. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 16th. We've got troughing over the plain states. Some negative height anomalies continue here across the southwest. A little bit breezy, high temperatures still a little below average. Maybe we fall back into the low and middle 70s, but that's, still pretty close to where we ought to be for this time of year. And let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 18th. We've got troughing over the nation's midsection and a dry northwesterly flow with ridging building along the west coast here, so temperatures should warm up and we should remain dry. Let's check out rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks. This comes off of the European ensemble. You have 50 members here. Just about all of them show some degree of measurable rain in here later this week. But even at that, the ensemble mean is still, just barely over 1/10 of an inch. So we're not looking at anything significant as we've been talking about this whole time. But as always, we watch those model trends. And then temperatures off the national blend of models. The cooling trend is evident. How about that high of 62 on Friday? And it is possible we could even be a couple of degrees lower than that. And then we'll see temperatures warming up as we get into next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a beautiful Tuesday.